Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Sisiano, a lot of people are beginning to see the coronavirus very serious because high-profile people in our society are beginning to test positive. We can speak of Sir John. We can speak of Sir John Niwon. We can speak of MPP for campaign manager, a friend Peter McMenu. We can also speak of a year MP and Nancy, Deputy Minister, our double as MP, and Nancy, our resign Miankasame MP, Carlos Ahenkra, was also tested positive. Breaking news, and they are, say President Akufo-Addo so. I mean someone very close to him and so tested positive. I'm a President Akufo-Addo wako a year isolation. Now in some way na eba no magana for realize say yare no yare bia any kwanse ye didi agro and that me no ka say enche yare no bebia ye keka kono by today or tomorrow it be to me do 20,000 people. Now so 20,000 na ye do no kan you say there are a lot of people when mo test results kra by it say possibly no there are more people infected than even that 20,000 no but ni name no Dr. Bia say ohwese ne ansem we ni na ekoso wo Ghana no what the assembly abba misusu say dabi say asem no doctor na throw social media say me ready and tremo just say entire Dr. Yobia, you say he's very close to some of the high profile people and just like Sir John into what the assembly ababa betuga and now me no can say they yatse and say health workers are a Ghana over 150 people have been infected. A lot of top doctors in so from coronavirus eyadebia entire and Rechi Mahama was mourning a top doctor Ghana has a coronavirus ekuno. Intino Sisiano it is actually beginning to take high profile people, and I see that is the point where Emma Ghanaians realizes says adenekrano senia ya fa ne trasa na nya sa nete. Now Dr. Yasema was trying to say, dear brethren, COVID-19 is on the rise and taking high-profile deaths and casualties. This includes friends and close relatives. The only reason why this is happening is that most of us are trusting our instincts more than common sense and science. If we should all insist not to talk to anyone not wearing a face mask apart from people in your house, we will not only help curb the spread, but save lives as well. Munti asema Dr. Netano wase Ghana for the ama COVID-19 no kosra sebe fa high profile death and say asa ye nyina no ye use instinct say okọ baby say nipa we minjindi say wobi inti no o de na hwe metumi ne nakasa minjindi say wobi inti metumi de me ho akofore no ase dabi o say ye use common sense hu ne say wobi na yeni na yan kanto ye ho so se wo bia won hye nose mask bia no woni no enkasa one ne nya hwe eno no bema nipa ko na sia nyansa no wonama wakwa akohye nose mask na eno no bema yawe no eso ate. See, if we should all insist not to talk to anyone not wearing a face mask apart from people in your house, we will not only help curb the spread but save lives as well. See, we all hear Sir John has succumbed to COVID-19. Well, the younger brother is my classmate at OWAS and a very close friend. One of the family members dropped their guard and got the virus and infected Sir John's mother. Inti Dr. Yi will claim say he's very close to Sir John Ninia. Senior Sir John yare no wonya no. Was one of the family members dropped their guard and got the virus and infected Sir John's mother when she was sick. Definitely, the children and family visited, and honestly, they didn't know it was COVID-19. So they interacted with her without wearing face masks because older people have a lower immunity I see, because other people have a lower immunity, the mom died first, then a nephew, Sir John's sister, and now Sir John himself. Very, very sad indeed. How does one console a friend in this situation? Who knows who will go next in the family? Dear doctor, yi secret a wo reveal and say, Sir John Fuebusianfo no baako ena trese wo lose guard ena coronavirus yi wo konyaye wanhye nose mask ena wode ne hokọ for real bi ande pako ne di coronavirus ne ma no. Na ye de ma ne wie ye no ena trese ne pako no infected Sir John maame ye obi a wenyin. Ne mamoti asesem bra Sir John wu ye no, even as ye dun ketia ba bonte be ka say Sir John maame ne sister August ena Sir John aye na adwen say wo kwa akoye wo mu eye because ya tese ne maame ne sister wu. Nti wo se wo bi ena trese family member bi a wo de koma maame no. Nti Sir John mu wo echi trese wo mu nti be bi a maame no wo ena wo mu ni ate say maame na yare. Of course, so what is say wo maame e yare a obekọ say wo kwa akohwe no. Maame no so ye obi ade bia wo fie. Nti Sir John mu ni nebusuanfo no ekọ maame ne ho say oyare nche wo mu kọ akosra no ena trese wo mu nim say coronavirus. Omoko enso omoko so oh man wo ho te sen wo masoso ni mu because omotirimu ni say maame ne dede bia wo tifie nti de din si say eye coronavirus ombe hu ne say no mpie nko bebia coronavirus be si da ache no. Omo de omo ho kososo ni mu abote so omo nso eti coronavirus na omo de call mu various places no. Eho ena Sir John ne maame be wu ye ne sister nso be wu ye ansa na ne wofa ase bi nso te say sansem we ni na ye nti o ansa na Sir John be wu ne kra ne maame ne sister de ne enim ba ne enim se ne wofa ase nso sebe enam yare ne so ama ne wofa ase nso ewu. Asemu a doctor no work no. Well, see, coronavirus is not like chicken pox that can be seen with your eyes. Don't trust anyone you are not living with, even if it's your mother, brother, office colleague. You don't know who they have been exposed to. It's getting serious. The only way to protect yourself and your family is to enforce strict safety protocols. Never send children to buy credits or anything for you. Vendors and food sellers are more exposed than anyone else because hundreds of people interact with them and they handle money that has passed through several hands. Well, see, you live and that's of no, I say your life na say one tro your knee. I say your life and that of your close family depends on what you put or do not put on your nose and mouth. You do not have to speak to or allow yourself to be spoken to by anyone not wearing a mask. People erroneously drop their masks to the chin, a practice which is extremely serious and dangerous. When you do that, you risk picking the virus from your chin and breathing it in. Before you drop your mask to your chin, apply sanitizer to your hands and rub your chin. Sir John was a very intelligent lawyer and head of the Forestry Commission. You are not better than him. He and his family dropped their guard and 4 members are already dead. If you keep dropping your guard, there's a probability that you will not last the rest of the month. Take note, your life is in your nose. Don't trust your eyes and emotions. Some have paid dearly for that error of judgment, and you can be next. A cheerful. Asemu a doctor no, or de aba or de atu no. And dear doctor no no. Sa pepe. Dear okan ya eyemede and say, was say you are not even, or say Sir John is the CEO of Forestry Commission. Sebi, you are not better than him. Position na wono Sir John wono. Sebi, wonye wo bia wo ni adwen. O wanyansa pa banso. He's a high profile personality in our society. Now so no for one family member, all it takes is just ebiana che. asɛm a wɔsɛ nkurɔfoɔ te asɛm sɛ ebia na wo no you are observing all the safety protocols so but it takes just one family member so obe dropping the guard na tre say ababa beto mu nyina. Let's all stay safe, and that me know can say it is creeping up on the high profile people to the extent that even the president is isolating himself for 14 days. Baby a edu no eni ya yenyan. Misremo pa. I know voter registration is still ongoing. Obi beka saying me here voter registration, but see, your life is more important than the voter registration. No. Misremo yema yeni enda ho.